Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are here again, back with the T500 Plus Pro smartwatch. The last time we checked on its design as well as specifications of this new wearable. Okay, so this is an upgrade of the popular T500 series. Remember, we have the T500 Plus, we have the T500, and we even have a T500 Max. So this one is the T500 Plus Pro smartwatch. Okay, so it is using the iWatch app. Okay, so as you can see here, series 6, but here on the back cover here, it is a series 7 smartwatch. Okay, so let's see. Again, here's the design of the wearable. As you can see here, we have the crown button. We have a button here, but it's not functioning. It's just a design. Okay, or this one, the pill shaped button here on the bottom part. Okay, this one. So it is just a design. It's a fake button. Okay, so we have a speaker, we have a sporty strap, and we have a 2.5D tempered glass. Okay, so let's access the menus here and the different functions of the T500 Plus smartwatch. Okay, so accessing, so that is for Bluetooth connectivity if you want to connect. Okay, swiping from top to bottom, from bottom to top, we have the settings here, including the Bluetooth vibration here, the flashlight. Okay, what's this? So menu style, also have a different menu styles here. And from left to right, we have the split screen. Okay, so from here, from right to left, we have different watch faces. Okay, so let's access the menu. You can access the menu by tapping on the watch face. As you can see here, you can scroll it. Okay, you can scroll it using the round button here, or you can just swipe. Okay, so we have, as you can see, different types of menus here. Okay, tap on it. We have the style 2, so I guess that is the grid style. We have the style 1. Let's see. So the style 1 is the bubble type. You can also use the crown button to zoom in. Okay, let's go back. For the style 3, we have, I think this is a list. Let's see. Okay, so a list menu. Going back again, we have, for the style 4, we have at least 4 style here. Okay, so a grid menu for this one. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go for the list menu here. It's much easier to access, and of course there's already a name here, so it's easy to understand the icons. Okay, so let's check on the different menu of the T500 Plus smartwatch. So it supports Bluetooth connectivity here. As you can see, we have phone book, we have call logs, activity tracking, we have physical training. We'll check on that later. We have sedentary reminder, blood pressure, sleep monitoring, and heart rate. We also have a sound recorder, so it has a built-in mic and speaker. We also have an alarm, find my device, stopwatch, calculator, calendar. We have the app download. I think this is the QR code. We have the WhatsApp here, application support. We have Twitter, photo capture support. We have remote notifier here, Bluetooth. It will warn you if you are disconnected from the Bluetooth settings. We have the brief training here, There's also a support for Facebook, and we also have some games here, at least 3 games. Okay, so going back, yeah, let's go back. Okay, going back to the sports function, let's see how many sports do we have here. Okay, so let's check. Blood pressure. So okay, so we have here the physical training. Let's tap on it. So we have running, rope skipping, we have some abdominal curl, we have table tennis, we have basketball, we have badminton, I think this is hiking or climbing, we have cycling, we have tennis, we have walking, and volleyball. Okay, so let's check for the walking here. So it tracks for, let's see, so it tracks for the calorie and time, and of course obviously it will also track for the steps. Okay, so that's for the physical training. Here for the activity training, okay, of course it will track the steps, okay, the minutes, okay, and other functions here. Okay, let's check for the blood pressure here. So 2 days ago, please keep still. So it's monitoring. Let's see if we'll have the results here. So 98/69. So 99% accurate. We don't know. Okay. And as we always advise, the sensor here are for your checking only or reference, not for diagnosis. Okay, let's check for the heart rate. Let's tap on it. So you have to manually activate it. Okay, so let's see some good animation, and we have a result, very fast result here. Okay, we'll go back. What else? What are the sensors here? Stopwatch, calendar. Let's see the calendar here. Okay, so we have the calendar. For the settings, we have some security settings. Okay, we have Bluetooth settings, slide switch, clock. We also have the volume and the language here. Okay. Okay. So it's a simple but pretty loaded smartwatch. Okay, so as you can see here, we already have different watch faces preloaded to the wearable, and we also have, okay, at least several watch faces or several menu style available in the smartwatch. Let's check out the games here. So we have at least 3 games. So let's see. Okay, so we have a battery low, so we'll not be able to test it out. Maybe on our next. At least we have at least 3 games here. We also have a split screen, okay, and other options here. So it's a pretty loaded smartwatch, very affordable. This is your T500 Plus Pro smartwatch. Okay, so far looking good. It's okay. It's a decent smartwatch for a very affordable price. So if you are interested in getting one, you can check out the links below. You can check also the specifications of the T500 Plus Pro smartwatch on our details below. Okay, so again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. So comment, is it better than the T500 or the T500 Plus? which is better based on the menus and the functionality here. Okay, is there any changes? Please drop a comment below. Okay, so we can help other fans of smartwatches that is willing or that is planning to buy a new wearable, and they are maybe they are thinking whether to buy the T500, the T500 Plus, or the T500 Plus Pro smartwatch. So let's check. Okay, you can drop a comment below what's the difference. Okay, so that's it. So this is your smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.